Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Today I am here with Creeper.
Hi guys.
And today we're going to show you our amazing base. But I won't be talking, Creeper will. So let's get right into it.
Hi guys. So this is our front entry thing. But this was super hard to make. Like we have slime pistons. But you really can't see them. We have redstone going all the way, like sticky pistons. Yeah, that was a lot of work. So now I'm keeping to the diamond. So let's go back in the base. Subway. We call it a subway because it looks like a subway. We have little treasure chests. Okay. So I'm just following behind. Now we have a ladder going up. You can see that. And it leads up to my base.
A gorgeous base, by the way.
Yeah. I know I didn't get a video in a long time because my mic is not
if you watch
working.
Creeper's video, you know that he did not record in a long time.
Down here is my villages.
Anyway, back to our thing.
Yeah, back to our thing.
We gotta, like, literally warp.
Yeah, or fly up.
Yeah, but I don't have rockets. So one of us TPs, one of us TPs, one of us warps. It's normally how it goes.
Okay, now we're on.
So that's like our emergency escape. Right, Creeper?
I'm not in the base yet. I'll be right back.
Right, Creeper, wouldn't you say that would be our emergency escape?
Yeah, that would be our emergency escape. Okay, now we're moving on. Now we have lava walls. Went hunting diamond build.
Yeah, I did this. It's gorgeous. I'm gonna do it all the way to the ceiling.
This was a circle, but now it's a
it used to be a cave. It used to be the cave. Comment down below what we should call this cave. If you watch Batman, you should know that he calls his cave the Bat Cave.
Comment down below if we should call it a Bat Cave. Comment down below.
As you can see right here, that you know what this is, if you can see. Anyway, we'll show you just in case.
Okay, yeah, you will see.
Our super smelter! That is really big. And really gorgeous.
And now I'm dropping the diamond. Okay, now we have.
This is my chest.
Oh, yeah.
And this is Creeper's.
Yeah. And now we have axolotls.
We're gonna breed them.
Yeah.
If we get blue axolotls, which is really rare, we're gonna sell them for a few netherite or diamonds.
Yeah. Okay, this is our enchanting paper.
And stone cutter.
Stone cutter. This is our bedroom.
Look at these stairs. They blend in.
Yeah, Hunter Diamond did that.
Yeah, I did these. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm gonna just go in and fix this real quick. There you go. I think that's it. Don't you think that's it, Creeper? Creeper? Don't you think that's it?
Probably so.
Alright guys. Anyway, thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, bust notifications. And don't forget to check out Green Kid 1's videos, 180 Gaming, and Creeper, even though he posted one video. Anyway,
Like and
don't forget to
subscribe.
like, subscribe, post notifications. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.